Now that you have gathered and safeguarded your important documents, the next step is to develop a communication and reunion plan. In this lesson, you will learn why this plan is important, how to create one that is tailored to your family, and what to include in the plan. I will also review a sample plan that you can download and use. Let's start by exploring why it is important to create a communication and reunion plan. When an emergency occurs, you may not have time to gather information and discuss a communication and reunion strategy with your family. Your family may not be at home when an emergency happens, so everyone needs to know in advance how to connect during a disaster. Furthermore, local telephone services may not be available. You may not be able to communicate with your family, which can be quite stressful. In fact, many disaster victims will refuse to move to safety until they make contact with loved ones. For these reasons, having a communication and reunion plan in advance is essential.